How's it going, everybody? Brandon Vincent here with eXp Realty, your Rothesay real estate agent, and right now I have something really special to show you. This property right behind me, 15 Sprucewood Avenue, is an absolute gem. This house, two-story home, has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with so many updates. Renovated kitchen, new floorings throughout, 3 heat pumps recently installed. There's no detail that's been overlooked here. I'm super excited to show you. And this is in a absolutely gorgeous neighborhood. Like I said, it's in Rothesay, one of the most desirable areas in New Brunswick. And this neighborhood here is a very family-friendly, mature neighborhood, right by many schools, which is perfect, many amenities too, just down the road. This is literally right in the heart of Rothesay. Absolutely gorgeous area. Come on in, take a look at this house, because I am super excited to show you. Let's go check it out. that's a wrap. That summarizes our tour of 15 Sprucewood Avenue here in Rothesay, New Brunswick. If you have any questions on what you've seen here today, or would like to reach out to make an offer or know more details about this property, please feel free to reach out to me, Brandon Vincent. My number is 1506-721-9020, or reach out to any real estate agent that you're currently working with, and I'd be happy to discuss with them. And if you have any questions, like I said, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.